Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 2-pack of mountain bike tires with tubes. Everything that you need for a complete kit to replace tires on your bike, maybe give it a little more rugged look. These ones that I was sent here are 26 by 1.95 in the size, but this is how it comes like this in a 2-pack. You get your outside piece, your tube, and then there's a little tool. And this little tool is going to be useful to help put the tires on or to take the old tires off. They give you a little hook and also this little edging tool to help get in there. And that's really nice. This whole thing popped right out, already has maintained its shape really well. And it's really nice that they've got this really well on the outside here. Lots of rubberized grip. You've got your maximum 80 psi on here. Inside of this has a really nice, it's almost like a little bit of an oily texture. It's going to allow this piece to sit in here and kind of slide a little bit in there, and it's textured as well. On your tube piece, really nice solid rubber on this guy. It was built really well, again packaged in there, and you get your valve stem and valve stem cover here that can simply pull off. And then if you're wanting to air this up, you can simply put this on here and get it in here, and we'll show you here. You can put this on and just air it up, just to kind of show you what that's going to look like. So when that's in there, that's going to come out the other piece. You've got your valve stem piece that comes on, and of course you're going to then air it up to that whatever PSI that you need to have. But having that tube like that set up inside of there, really great. They also send you with some little patch kits here if you need to patch anything with it, and a little strap that goes along with that as well. So this would be able to work on a full-size bike to upgrade. It's a fantastic kit for anyone that loves biking.